Thank you for coming back for the installation video of this smart switch. Flavius here from Flavius InTouch Technology. Also, for those of you that are visiting for the very first time, I just want to say I appreciate you all. Now, if you have not seen the highlights on the unboxing of this smart Wi-Fi light switch, a link is in the description below for that video. Now I'm at the switch in my home office, which is occupied by this old conventional light switch. What I went ahead and did was to go to the main panel and to turn off the breaker that controls the circuit for this switch. And that's the first thing you want to do. Ensure that the breaker is off that controls the circuit for where you are going to install your new smart light switch. One of the essential tools that you will need that I did not mention in the highlights on the unboxing video is a simple power tester. Yes, a simple power tester to test whether there is power or not. Very essential. Now, let me put out this disclaimer. I am not a trained electrician, but this is a simple DIY project. The instruction is clearly laid out in the manual, but if you're not comfortable doing this, seek the service of a certified electrician or link me up and we will provide the expertise to get the job done in a professional manner according to best practices. Link is in the description below. With that said, let's remove this old light switch and install the new smart Wi-Fi light switch. I'm going to do the installation in a time lapse as follows. I will simply connect the ground to the ground, the neutral to the neutral, the live wire with the inline wire of this switch, and lastly the load wire. Then we will install the new light switch, put on the faceplate, and we will see how good this thing looks compared to the old conventional light switch. Let's go. I went to the panel and turned the breaker back on, and now there's power back into the switch. The switch, this smart switch, can operate without the app. Just as the conventional light switch did. You can turn it on or turn it off. You can operate it manual. You don't need the app to operate this smart switch. As you can see, there's a LED flashing or blinking rapidly. That indicates that the smart switch is in pairing mode and is now ready to link to the app for configuration. But we will get back to that. Now, I have to say, this is indeed a magical moment. Right? This is a magical moment. Look what we have here. The conventional light switch, and we have the contemporary smart Wi-Fi light switch. So you have the conventional light switch and the contemporary. What a difference. This smart switch brings a transformational and gives a contemporary look to my home office. It is indeed an amazing product. Now, if you think it brings a transformational and gives a contemporary look as I do, please leave it in the comment section below. Or if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. With that said, let's go over to my phone and we will see how easy it is to link this smart switch to the Nexxt Home app for configuration. Let's go. Now I'm on my phone. You want to go to the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. If you are using iOS, I'm using Android, so I'll go to the Google Play Store. Type in the search Nexxt Home app. As you see, I have already downloaded and installed, but you will need to download and install the app. Now go to your app. Now to add a device, simply go to the top right and click on the plus sign. You will be presented with a variety of smart device. You want to search for smart switch. Here it is. Click on it. Now choose the network you want your light switch to connect to. It is recommended to connect all your smart device on its own network. If you have any question about that, leave them in the comment section below. So I am already connected on the network that the light switch is going to connect to. So I would go next, but you can click here and it will show all the network that is visible and within range of your light switch. You want to connect to the one you would have your light switch to connect to, and then you would click next. Now, as is demonstrated here, you will see the light on your smart Wi-Fi light switch flashing rapidly, indicating that it is in pairing mode. Once that is confirmed, you go next. But if it has stopped, you want to hold the on and off click on your light switch for about 7 to 10 seconds, and it will go back into pairing mode. Now you click confirm and go next, and you will see your device being prepared to register and connect to the network. Wait for a few seconds, and there you go. Device added successfully. Now that is how easy and how simple it is to connect or link the smart Wi-Fi light switch to the Nexxt Home application app. It is easy and it is simple, and you are done. You will be forwarded to the interface of the switch where you can control the function. Here you can press. My light is on. As you can see, it is glowing green, and you can press again. It is off. You can go here and do the same. You can set up schedule, and you can go where you see the pencil icon, and it will bring you to the profile of your smart Wi-Fi light switch. In here you can do a number of things. Here you have device. You can get device information for your device, and here's where you would connect or set up your voice assistant, whether it be Amazon Alexa or any Google Assistant enabled devices. You can turn on notification to indicate when your smart light switch is offline. You can share the device. You can create a group. You can add a icon to your home screen and check device on network. You can also check for update for your device. There's a number of things that you can do here in the hub, but that is for another video. So that is it, guys, for the installation of this smart Wi-Fi light switch. Now, as I have said, there is a number of smart devices that comes or can connect to this app. If you are interested in any of these devices, you can hit me up. A link is in the description. So remember to please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of new videos when they are released. So until then, guys, I will see you in the next video. Let's go!